Today, we'll show you how to assemble the Reese M5 fifth wheel hitch. The Reese M5 is designed to be modular and is built with 3 easy-to-use sections. We offer 1 head assembly, 2 center sections, and 4 application-specific leg options. For this installation, we'll be using a 20K center section with legs designed for industry-standard rails. Before beginning the hitch assembly, familiarize yourself with all parts included in the installation instructions. During this installation, we'll be using the following tools. To start the assembly, we'll be installing the application-specific legs to the center section. Begin by determining which mounting holes to use for your towing setup by referring to the guide included in the M5 instruction sheet. To assure the proper clearance for safe towing, a minimum of 6 inches is required between the top of the truck bed walls and the bottom of the trailer when level. The M5 allows 4 inches of height adjustment to help achieve this clearance. Once the mounting holes have been chosen, attach the legs to the center section using the hex bolts and conical tooth washers. Do this by threading them from the inside of the center section into the threaded holes of the legs. Hand tighten these bolts so the legs are completely seated against the center section. While attaching, be sure the legs are set at the same height on both sides of the unit. Next, place the hitch into the rails in the bed of your truck. Make sure to align the securing tabs on the legs with the slots in the rails. Using the pins and clips provided, secure the legs to the rails. Once the hitch is secured, use a torque wrench to tighten each hex bolt to 220 foot-pounds. Now you're ready to attach the head to the center section. Start by sliding the handle over the mounting bar in the M5 head. Securely fasten it in place with the provided carriage bolts, lock washers, and nuts using an M13 wrench. When secured, the handle should be snug. Next, place the M5 head on top of the center section. Secure it using the provided pull pins and spring clips. Do this by inserting the pins underneath the head on both sides of the hitch, then secure with the spring clips. Sight holes located on top of the M5 head can assist with ensuring the pins and clips are installed and secured correctly. This wraps up the assembly and installation of the Reese M5 fifth wheel hitch. For more information on this and other great products from Reese, visit reeseproducts.com.